Emma. How's your morning going?
Hey, John. It's going pretty well. I had coffee, so that helps.
Yeah, coffee is very important in the morning.
Very important. Without coffee, my English is not very good.
Same here. Even as a native speaker, my brain is slow before coffee.
By the way, for everyone watching, hi, my name is Emma.
And I'm John. We're from the US, and today we're just having a real conversation to help you learn English.
Slow English, simple English.
And very normal English.
Yes, nothing fancy.
So today's topic is interesting.
Very interesting.
We're talking about thinking in your own language versus thinking in English.
This is something every English learner struggles with.
Definitely.
When I teach English, students always tell me, I think in my language first, then I translate to English.
Yeah, that's super common.
And it feels slow, very slow.
Very slow. Your brain is like, wait, 1 second.
Yes, like an old computer.
Exactly. Loading.
So let me ask you something, John. When did you start learning another language?
I studied Spanish in school.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, but honestly, I wasn't very good.
That's okay.
I always thought in English first.
Me too. I tried learning French once.
Really?
Yeah, I learned some words. Very basic.
Like bonjour?
Yes, and merci.
That's already good.
But every sentence in my head was English first.
Same. I would think, okay, what do I want to say? Then translate.
And sometimes the translation doesn't work.
Exactly.
Like in English, we say, I'm hungry.
But in some languages, it's more like, I have hunger.
Right. So if you translate word by word, it sounds strange.
Very strange.
So beginners often ask, is it bad to think in my language?
That's a great question.
And the answer is,
No, it's not bad.
not at all.
It's normal.
Very normal.
When you start learning English, your brain needs help.
Your first language is your helper.
Yes, it's like training wheels on a bike.
Oh, that's a good example.
Thanks.
At first, you need the wheels.
You fall without them.
But slowly, you don't need them anymore.
Exactly.
So the goal is not to stop thinking in your language fast.
The goal is to slowly start thinking in English more and more.
Little by little.
Not in one day.
Not in 1 week.
Maybe not even in 1 year.
And that's okay.
Totally okay.
I remember one of my students told me something funny.
Oh yeah?
She said, Teacher, I dreamed in English last night.
That's amazing.
I know, she was so proud.
That's a big moment.
It really is.
Because dreaming means your brain is relaxed.
And not translating.
Just thinking naturally.
But before that happens, learners feel tired.
Very tired.
Because thinking in 2 languages is hard work.
Your brain is doing a lot.
Think, translate, check grammar, worry.
And then speak.
That's exhausting.
It is.
That's why people say, I know English, but I can't speak.
Yeah, they know the words,
They know the grammar.
but their brain is too busy.
So how can learners start thinking in English?
Good question.
Let's give some simple tips.
Okay, tip number 1.
Use easy sentences.
Very easy.
Like, I am tired.
I like coffee.
I am at home.
Don't try long sentences first.
Long sentences make your brain panic.
Yes, panic mode.
Tip number 2, talk to yourself.
This sounds strange.
But it helps a lot.
I do it sometimes.
Me too.
Like in the kitchen.
Same. I'll say, I'm making eggs.
I need salt.
Where's my phone?
That's real life English.
Exactly. Tip number 3, don't translate everything.
Try to connect English words to pictures or actions.
When you hear apple, don't think of the word in your language.
Think of the fruit.
Red, round, sweet.
That's thinking in English.
Slowly, your brain learns.
Another thing, mistakes are okay.
Very okay.
You will think wrong sometimes.
You will say funny things.
Everyone does.
Even native speakers.
Especially me. But mistakes mean you're trying.
And trying is how you improve.
I always tell learners, fluency is not speed.
Yes.
Fluency is comfort,
Feeling relaxed.
not afraid.
When you stop translating every word,
You feel free.
and English becomes lighter,
You feel free, and English becomes easier.
more fun.
So if you're watching this and thinking, I still think in my language,
That's okay.
you're not behind.
You're learning.
One small step at a time.
Listen more.
Speak a little every day.
And be patient with yourself.
Your brain is learning a new way to think.
That's huge.
Very huge.
One day, you'll answer in English without thinking.
And you'll be surprised.
You'll say, wow, that just came out.
That's the best feeling.
It really is.
So that's our talk for today.
Thinking in your language versus thinking in English.
Thanks for listening to our conversation.
And remember,
You don't need perfect English.
you just need real English.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.